star defender is getting dangerously close to the goal.
Alex, give me the ball!
And he strikes the ball with such a sweet move. Oh yeah, it's a goal!
Wait, what? That was too high! Alex, you could have passed it to me. You're playing solo and it's just not fun.
Perhaps, but I never miss a goal.
Yeah, you play as if we weren't there.
Whoops, I didn't even see you there, Jeremy. I'm sorry.
You know, Alex, truck soccer's really a team game.
Yeah, but I'm better when I play solo.
Well, in that case, I believe I have a challenge for you, mini trucks. Now let's go to truck control.
Woohoo!
Dear mini trucks, your mission today will be to strike a goal against the incredible coach Zoe.
Striking a goal? Too easy.
Physical strength alone will not be sufficient, my dear Alex. Zoe is waiting for you now. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go!
4, 3, 2, 1. Mini trucks, go!
Hi there, mini trucks. Ready to let off steam?
But I'm not heating anything!
I was talking about letting off some excess energy, Alice. Here is the ball. To win the game, you just need to strike a goal by following the classic rules of truck soccer.
Oh, we're really good at truck soccer, you'll see!
And we're off! I'm so good, this will be done in just a few seconds. The amazing Alex is master of the kick.
And just like that, you missed.
But I couldn't even kick it.
That's because you haven't even tried to avoid Zoe. By making zigzags along the way with the ball, it will work. The goal is mine! Go on, strike! Oh,
You missed again. Try not to despair, mini trucks.
it's my turn!
Alice, you're not allowed to shoot from your position. You're outside the limits of the pitch. If you don't go by the rules, your goal will not count.
Oh, but I haven't even scored a goal!
I have an idea. Lisa, follow me.
And we're off! Your go, Jeremy!
Oh no, we nearly had it.
Well done, Jeremy. That was a good strategy. You have to practice making passes and you will succeed. I know how to help you. I'm going to try and take the ball from you. To stop me, you must make several passes before I arrive.
Understood! Are you ready?
Yeah, throw me the ball.
Woohoo!
Pass it to me. Pass it to me. And there.
Jeremy, it's yours.
Look, I did it.
Whew, it didn't pass too far.
Bravo, many trucks. You've mastered the game by playing as a team. So why don't you try to strike a goal by using what you've just learned?
Yeah! Watch out, because things are getting tough.
We'll see how much power you've got now.
Over to you, Jeremy!
To you, Alex.
This time, we're playing as a team. Lisa!
Thanks to my special glasses, I really can't miss this goal. Goal!
Wow.
Right in! Thank you, Alex.
No problem, Lisa.
We make a really great team.
Well done, mini trucks. I always knew you could do it.
That was an incredible goal, mini trucks. I can see that Zoe has turned you into really good soccer truck players.
More than that, I turned them into a real team, closely knit and efficient.
Well, in that case, you have especially earned the lucky cup that's given for Soccer Cup.
Hooray! Yippee!
They're so pretty, these cups.
On the other hand, you mustn't make passes with them or you just might break them.
scare me. I'm always keeping an eye out.
Boo! We scared you, so you have to give us candy.
Yes, it's a tradition here in Trucksville. On every Halloween, we give out candy to those who frightened us. But I don't have any candy.
Boo! If you want to scare as well as I do and collect loads of candy, then I know someone who can help you learn how to. Now everyone to truck control!
Yippee! Let's get that candy.
Yeah!
Pirate Sam will teach you what you need so you're good at scaring. He's a real practical joker, as you know. He can even scare a ghost. I'm preparing the launch pad now to send you over to him.
As long as no one scares me, I'm fine.
Yeah, let's roll!
Four, three, two, one. Mini truck, go!
Sam the pirate, here we are.
But where is he? Sam!
Ho ho ho! Here are my little scary sailors for Halloween.
Sam!
Go on and take these hats, mini trucks. This evening you will be my helpful crew. All right then, now that I'm your captain, please allow me to explain a couple things. To scare others, it mostly requires teamwork. Here's the plan. Jeremy and Alice, you'll destabilize the target. Then, Lisa and Alex, you'll surprise her, which will scare her.
Okay, but who is our target?
Follow me there and you'll soon find out.
Wow! Zoe even trained so hard, and at night!
So, are you ready, mini trucks? And do you remember the plan?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Ow! Huh? What? Ah!
Boo!
Happy Halloween!
Oh my word, mini trucks! I have never been so scared. For that, you deserve some candy.
Well, as your captain, I get to keep the treasure.
Oh, okay, Captain.
All right, enough about the treasure now. I have to settle a matter with my old friend, Detective Truck.
I'm thinking the thief must have escaped that way. Surely there must be a clue. Oh,
Go discreetly over there and move that crate.
but what is this mystery? Oh. Oh my goodness! Oh, it's you, mini trucks. I must give you some candy for that scare, I suppose.
Give me the candy, because after all, I am the captain.
Fine, then here you go, you bully.
When are we going to get our own candy?
You will when you become captains, obviously. Wait for me here. I'm going to hide my treasure.
I think his rules are so unfair. So I have a plan.
I'm going to have a candy feast. But where are the mini trucks? Hello? Hello? Oh my gosh. But what am I going to say to Ted after I've lost his grandkids? Ah!
We scared you, so now you must give us candy.
You got me this time, mini trucks. I'll go get the candy bag to give it to you.
Yippee!
My goodness, your candy bag is so gigantic. I see you've even managed to scare Sam.
No, my candy. But for scaring me, you do deserve it, you little band of pirates.
Bravo, mini trucks. But be careful. You should never go too far with pranking others.
Yes, we know, Grandpa Ted.
Now that you understand that, for your work, I'm going to hand you the Masters of Scare Cup.
Yeah! Watch out, there's a spider!
Where is it?
Sure that we're supposed to dig here?
Yes, I'm telling you that it's here. Yes, well, I'm not so sure.
Hello there, mini trucks. But what are you doing digging a hole in the middle of my yard? Are you doing a little gardening?
Not that, Grandpa. We're searching for the treasure of Sam the Truck Pirate.
Yeah, Sam the pirate. He's the most courageous of all super trucks.
And it's been told that his treasure is hidden somewhere right here in Trucksville.
But you know that there's very little chance that it's hidden in my yard. And anyways, to find hidden treasure, you need a treasure map.
A map?
Well, think about it, dear Mini Trucks. Let me ask, how do you think a pirate would be able to find the treasure that he had hidden several years back in the past?
With a map!
That's right! Bravo! Well done. And did you know that one day, Sam the pirate told me a little secret?
And my dear old friend, before I go away on my voyage, I want to trust you with me treasure map. And I'd like you to give it to some really brave trucks who are up to the challenge of finding me treasure.
Grandpa, do you really know Sam the pirate truck?
Wow!
Wow.
And Grandpa, do you still have the treasure map?
Yep, let's all meet at truck control to study this more closely.
Woohoo! The treasure is ours!
Dear Mini Trucks, in order to find the treasure, you're going to need to accomplish several difficult challenges. Let's begin by putting the map up on the computer. The map indicates the treasure is buried in Trucksville Desert. But pay attention, be careful of the mud river.
Okay, Grandpa!
I'm going to program the launch ramp to transfer you directly into the middle of Trucksville Desert. Prepare yourselves for takeoff. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mini Trucks, go!
The treasure map indicates that the treasure is buried across this bridge.
There's no way we're gonna be able to cross it. There are gaps.
It's easy. Let me do it, and I'll be the first to get the treasure. Whoa! Ugh.
You must not confuse using speed with rushing recklessly, Alex.
Well, if I hadn't slipped, then I'd already be on the other side. Go on, Jeremy, it's your turn.
I'll never be able to do it. I'm too scared.
Go on, of course you can do it.
Whoa. Whoa. Ah!
Oh, poor Jeremy. I think I understand it. Lisa, come on. Let's go together. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and jump! 1, 2, 3, and jump! Super! We've done it! Your turn. You can both do it. It's easier together. 1, 2, 3, and jump!
1, 2, 3, and jump! Woohoo!
And we made it!
From the treasure map, the treasure might be right around here, but I can't see it. There's just sand.
The treasure of Sam the Super Truck Pirate.
Super! We have done it!
But the chest is empty. Someone has stolen Sam the Pirate's treasure. Sam the Super Truck Pirate!
Bravo there, Mini Trucks. You've successfully passed the
What?
challenge.
But the chest is empty.
Well, that's normal. I created this challenge to see if you are truly worthy of being pirates. You have proven yourselves with teamwork, with great courage, and with goodwill. Here is the reward you have earned.
Yes! We're pirates!
And now welcome aboard, new crew member.
Thank you! Hey, take a look! It's Grandpa Ted who's come to join us!
Bravo! You four have found Sam!
Hey, Grandpa, we all won. And look at what Sam has given us.
Bravo, Mini Trucks! You have passed the challenge. And now you've all become real super truck pirates! You've definitely earned the trophy for the treasure hunt!
Yippee! Go, Alex! You are going to make it!
Hello there, Mini Trucks! Are you stretching your wheels?
No, Alex just wanted to be like Tony Truck.
Yep, but there's a long way to go.
You know, Tony Truck happens to be a good old friend of mine.
You are friends with Tony Truck? He's the greatest stuntman ever! How do you know him, Grandpa Ted?
Well, it was during a film shoot that we did a very long time ago. Bravo, Tony Truck!
to be a big hit, Ted.
Wow. But Grandpa, were you really in a movie?
Sure I was. Now let's all head to Truck Control.
Let's go for our adventure!
For this mission, you are going to have to train with Tony Truck to become wonderful and real stunt trucks yourself. But before you begin, listen to one last very important thing.
You mean like we mustn't forget our snacks?
No, Jeremy. For your own protection, you'll be wearing a special helmet.
Whoa!
Let's go now, Mini Trucks! I am programming the launch pad to send you over to the skate park where Tony Truck is. 4, 3, 2, 1, Mini Trucks, go!
Wow! So cool!
Hey there, Mini Trucks. Your Grandpa Ted informed me of your arrival. I also hear you want to become apprentice stuntmen then?
So then that means we can be an action movie?
That's right, but tell me, what do you think you might need to succeed with your stunts?
Me, I know. Don't be afraid and just go for it. Go!
Alex is upside down again with his 4 wheels.
He is. I think just going for it isn't his thing, you guys. You might just discover the stuntman's secrets if you succeed in this task. Now watch me closely. Here we go. That's a job well done.
I got it. We should go very, very slowly.
It's my turn!
No, I'm going first.
Oh no! Don't go together! And that's why I warned you. It's your turn, Lisa. Can you do better than your brothers and sisters?
Well, let me think about it first. I think I've got it! Bravo, Lisa!
But how did you do it?
If we go too slow, we don't have enough momentum. And if we go too fast, we take off and finish up rolling and crashing. We must watch our speed at all times.
Yes, that's correct. You have just found out the secret of stuntmen.
Can we try again, Tony Truck?
But of course, go ahead. Yes, the ramp is all yours.
Whee!
I got it!
Me too!
Bravo! Very soon, you could be starring in action movies like real super trucks.
Awesome!
Thank you, Tony Truck! We're up! We did it!
We finally have discovered a stuntman's secret. What's this? Piece of cake.
It's so easy!
Congratulations, Mini Trucks! For this, you have earned